Okay, hello. I hope that you can actually hear me. Oh, wait, hold on. I actually need to see if my voice is picked up by the microphone first. Hold on a second. Okay, it seems that's good, and I'm not really picking. So yeah, welcome. And Merry Christmas to all of you. Carter 211 here. I think you can say that I am one of the type of people who don't really have a plan for like going out on the night of 24th. So I decided that okay, I already done with all of the place on the church today already. Everything's done. So because I don't really have any plans, as I already just tell, I decided that yeah, let's make a plan, and my plan is actually continue to advance what I am currently doing with the project, the Catechism management system. I know that I don't stream too often, but you can actually take my word for it that I am advancing it in the background. So it's like sometimes I don't really want to stream at all, like I just want to sit offline working. But there will be days that I actually want to do a little bit of streaming, like the current moment, right? I want to stream a little bit just to kill time, but also doing something a little bit useful, right? So I know that everybody is partying out there. I'm not a guy who like party, to tell the truth. But I like to sit, to chill, and want to do something different a bit. So yeah, this stream will be so boring. Oh, and one note, if you take a look at the time remaining, it is counting down. 1 hour and 41 minutes left, I believe. You will see that we pretty, yeah, like if you count that up to Carter 211, you will see that it's actually like 1 hour and 15 minutes, more than that, right? So yeah, that counting down is actually counting to midnight. So yeah, we will pull to the midnight today. Yes. Okay, so I guess that is enough for the intro. Let's hop in and chill. I will try to be, I don't know, maybe a little bit silent today, or I will actually try to be a little bit talkative today. But so, the chat is there. Please interact with me if you can. Just go and say hi if you can. To every single one that are currently viewing this, I don't know if there is any, but if you're watching, I hope that you and your family, I wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. That's everything that I can tell, can talk right now. So let's do it, shall we? Yeah, let's go. I think putting here is actually quite good, because like, yeah, if I want to talk, then my voice is still like onto the mic there, so that's fine. All right, then let's do the thing. Okay, what I want to do now is that I want to start up. Oh, and because that oh yeah, this is the backend. Where's the backend? Let's move that to another workspace. Yeah. And open Chromium, please. And I actually want to start the backend up first. So hold on a second. Should the DB should be up already? I don't know. It should be up already. Hold on a second. Okay, it is up. That's good. F5, and it should run up. Okay, right to that. Okay, and let's run this. Oh, and if you are looking at the UI of the stream today, you will see that I actually add a little bit of decoration there. I actually try to find something Christmas related on stream on game shops to make that as the background music, but it seems that they don't really have one. So this is the best what I can do. So yay, at least the stream have a little bit atmosphere of Christmas. That's the best thing I can do, and I don't know if it will like covering some part of the stream, but I hope that it will not, because if it is, then I actually got a big trouble. I don't know what I'm actually talking about, so please bear with me. Yeah, please just bear with me. Alright, let's go up. I guess I actually have Chromium here already. Let me put it over here. Right. Let's going on here. So for your information, I am currently trying to working with the next version, which I actually want to hold on a second. I actually want to bump that up first, so at least you guys can actually know what I am currently working at. So I actually need to refresh the whole thing again. No. Oh, I actually need to restart this one. Okay, got you. Yep. And please no. Yes. Okay. So I am currently working for the next release now, which is I just realized that the chat box actually cover that part. So oh, and the orders thing, the decoration also. Okay, so as you can see, I am working up to the version 0.6.0 now, and if you pay close attention enough, you will see that we actually have two more buttons here on the main screen that you can look at. This is for a little bit of summarize, and it is related to the attendance data at the moment. I actually already did that, done it already, and like this is a bit of like we had the names, we had the numbers of the days of the lesson of the schedule that the student present. We have the data related to the attendance itself. So as you can see, like this student right here, she has present in 7 per 10 days related to the math, and 8 per 9 days related to the catechism lesson. And down here is actually the details of that. So as you can see, the the Catechism lesson is actually less than 1, like 1 less than the max, because we have a day here that I basically don't care at all. So I make the system to not counting this one, so that actually works. The other one, we can say that if she like absent, I believe that we also have some thing related to, I don't know, live or life there. We actually have quite a few, yeah. Right here, as you can see that we have like one data related that, okay, she leave, not absent. She actually say that, okay, I have something to do on the day, so I cannot come to class. And this is what's market. So that is basically the thing for the attendance summary. I am currently working out on this module right here, the schedule, and at the moment, the way that it normally work is actually I am going directly into the database. I'm adding the grade schedule, the general schedule and the grade schedule for a Sunday. So with this one, the grade schedule can actually be pushed to the other users in the system. So I can just go and creating the general schedule for the study year, and then the other catechists, when they come here, they can actually base the grade schedule on one of the study year schedule, and they can make their grade schedule on their own, because like the schedule of the grade, it mostly based on the study year general schedule of the whole church, right? But there are cases, and that turns out to be very, like, it is a frequent thing that's happened at my parish. So this is how it will go. So yeah, this is the thing that I'm currently working on, and I'm currently working on this part right here, where I can let them to choose. This is the, so like this one is actually the date in the general schedule. I can choose a day, it should be filling those two automatically, and then we can actually, and then they actually can create that. They can actually delete this as well, but if they delete this, then they need to know that all of the attendance data of that day will be out of the question as well, like they will be all removed. It is like quite the same thing with the test, right? Because if you remove a test, then if you already have the test score, they will be removed as well. So this is basically the same thing, but related to the grade schedule and the attendance data on a specific date. So for example, if I already have, like on this date right here, the 7th of December, if I already do the attendance check on my students on this date, then later on if I come here, I delete this one, all of those attendance thing will gone, completely gone. There's no way to recover them. So that is something that I need to warn the user if they actually try to remove something here. Yes. Okay. And I'm still trying to creating something. So let's actually try to complete this now. And I actually want to put the windows here a bit, and I think that is the best thing that I can do at the moment. All right. Yeah. Let's just keep it like this. Right. Now, what I'm trying to do here, I completely forgot. I literally just working on this one before the play today. So you know, like 5 p.m. I go to the church. 4 p.m. I am sitting in front of the like my workspace, my computer, and actually work on this one. So yeah, a little bit hectic. That's how my plan. But at least I already complete the play on the church on the parish. So surely that is good. Surely I'm having times now, and surely that is a good thing to say. Yep. Okay, let's work, shall we? Okay. Wait, hold on. I actually have yeah, there's one field that I need to add, and that is a field where I can choose a date, which I am going to add right now. The thing is, I want to have a new browser window so I can actually search for, I don't know, the components that I want to use. I actually have a second screen, so you guys don't really see what I'm currently searching, but I will show you if I happen to find it. Damn it, where's the date picker? Hold on a second. Picker. This is the floating. No. The picker. Icon, infinite scroll, linear list item, observers. What is this? I don't know. What is that? Let's go to the form, right? It should be inside the form. Form components. Oh, date picker. We have it. So this is the thing that I'm currently looking at for your information. So we have the picker. And it seems that it will actually like very tied to this date utils of cursor here. Now, the way that I wanted to go is that I want to have an input. So it is like it will actually not displaying this calendar right now. I will have an input. I can select one date inside there, and that will reflect inside the input. That is the thing that I actually want. So this is where I should look at, right? So something like this. That's beauty. Let's try to, yeah, I will say let's try it. Yay, I got one of commands there. Trang, thank you very much. And I hope you get you will have a great Christmas as well. Okay, now let's really try to make something happen before I actually fall asleep. So with the structure of this thing, it's like this right here. It should be no, this is the list page. I want to look at the model. That separator inside here, should I actually like zoom in a little bit? I think I should. Yeah, I think it should look better on screen now because the text is now bigger. So the separator you are seeing here is actually this part right here. So the thing is, I want to add one more field right below here, and this is where I will try to do the Q input. Right there. I am a bit skeptical of this one, but let's actually keep it like that for the moment. Anything else? Yeah, hold on. Let me just copy the whole thing. And we'll see how it turns out. Refresh. Add. Hold on a second. I should have something more. Yeah, this one outlined it, not filled. Okay, that's good. And I should have also like the label. So the label will be Vietnamese, please. Come on, what the heck? Oh wow, caps lock. Okay. Alright, that's it. It seems to work. December 2025, I love it. The thing is, I cannot choose anything at the moment, so we will actually fix that really quickly. And the reason why that's happening is because I actually need to go down here and define the date field inside here as well. So, date. Oh, come on, please. Date. And let's say, let's say it's noon for now. And I don't know if this will actually causing any problem, but let's keep it like that for now, and let's see if it will actually cause us some. And I actually need to say that it is in the create from data schedule, like that. Refresh again to make sure that the thing is loaded up. Okay. Now there's a thing that I want to fix right now. I can actually change the thing, right? Yeah. So basically I can choose this, which is good. The thing is, I need to refine some behavior first. I want, like, when I choose something, if possible, I want the date picker to be closed out immediately. That's the first thing. And the second thing is, I want to reformat the date here, so it is not year, month, day, it is day, month, year. So let's try to do them really quickly. Yes. I actually need to look at the document of the date actually. Is there any, like, we have behavior? Not really. Content selection. Date style. Today button. Oh, that should be a very good thing to tell the truth. Hold on. Yeah, let me try to add that one. Will it display that kind of button? It is. It is. It is. It's actually display that one. Okay, beautiful. So that thing is good. Must say that thing is really good. Something else. Minimal. Minimal. What is minimal? Oh, it's only display this kind of thing. Beautiful. All right, that is it. Okay, hold on a second. Okay, hold on. I am wondering a thing. That if I really use it in this mode right here, how it will show. It show like this. Oh, okay. I want that on select a date, I want to close down the pop-up. How can I do this? Do we have like auto select or something? I wonder. Do we? Yeah. Do we actually? Yeah. Do we actually have that? Oh wait, we actually have a mask here. Hold on a second. Will it work? 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 Oh, what the? Okay, what the hell is this? Okay, hold on a second. So we have a mask. Oh. Yeah, I don't know why, but that display really strange. So I'm choosing 24th of December, and this is actually what it gave me. What the heck is this? Oh, that looks really odd. Oh, that looks really odd. Huh. Am I wrong about something? Hold on a second. If I just say... What if I just say that? That is correct. So I only want to have date. Oh. Wow, wait. Do I actually need to like escape that or something? I don't know. No. Okay, hold on. What is this? Format string. Default is mình đây đây. Oh. Oh, wait, hold on. What if I put like inside a mask or something like that? What if I put it inside a mask or something like that? Hold on. The model, the calendar. Before I'm worrying about that, let's actually try this. Emit immediately to see if it will actually close down. No, not really. Let's add, yeah, let's not do the emit immediately, but let's do the no unset first. And with that, I don't really think like we can actually unset the date or something like that. That is what I want, because this should be like I don't know, a required field. Okay. State. Wait, hold on. Can I know that I have the input, right? Wait. What is this mask right here? Hold on. Wow. I don't know if it will make that happen, but no. I'm still playing around. Oh, it actually worked now. Okay. Yay. Yay, I at least said, whoa, wait. There is something else that I want to try. 1 2 3 4 and this will it work? Yes. That work. Mask. I believe there is something else inside here. Oh, local. Will it work? Will it work? Is it supposed to be like that? I don't think so. Okay. I need to get the wow. Oh, so inside the constant, I should actually have the whole list. Okay. Yep. Oh, I actually have this. Oh, thank God. Okay. Somehow I actually foresee this. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, somehow I actually foresee this. Thank God for that. Let's mark it as this. And I believe that I have the day locales inside here as well, so it will be correct, right? One more thing, let's make the date fields here read only. So to make sure that I can only choose the date using this part, right? Oh, sorry, I was wrong. It should be inside the input. So the input itself will be that, but I can still choose something, right? And what is this? Oh wait, we have the rules. Hold on, we have the rules. Let's remove the rules. Yes, it should work. I don't know, but I can still choose with this one, so that's really fine. Yes, so somehow I can. Yes, so somehow I actually make this happen. Okay, that's great. Nice. Let's see what I want to do next on this form right here. So there's one thing that I want to do. I select something here. It's actually, and like this is the thing that you are seeing on the screen, but deep down it's actually something like this. If I clear the network and I refresh the page again, if I click this button, you should see that it's actually fetching the whole set of the data right here. So the thing that you are seeing here is like all of these options, right? And you can only see the date, but when you select a date, the thing is I want to detect the corresponding option related to the chosen date here, and then I will pre-fill those fields with the information that I just selected. And that overriding process will happen every single time I change something inside here, but not when I clear the field, because this field surprisingly is an optional field, because you can actually create an ad hoc schedule for your grade, and those are completely necessary, because if it is the third year of history, right, then you will actually have some day to prepare for the graduation day, and those dates are normally not Sunday, but you actually will want to counting and do the attendance check for those days as well. And so that is why the form needs to be really flexible, and the system actually need to be very flexible for that as well. Yes, so now let's try to do that. I change something here. I pre-fill the data down here, and what data will be pre-filled? This one right here, the date, the content of the mask if they have, the lesson, wait, hold on, the mask content, which is this field, the lesson content, which is this field, the attendance check for those two fields are those two checkboxes. And I just realized that I missed the semester, so I will create that really quickly now. And I don't actually need to copy it like creating from the scratch, because I actually have some kind of like that field, kind of the field somewhere here, which I am copying over. And it should be like hold on the second. Let's put it like right below the date. So right here. And I know it is quite many things here, but we have the option, semester option. We have in map option. We have this one, the plus semester. Let's not doing that. Keep the label. I actually need to get this field inside as well, and this is null, and I actually need to import this part over here. So if I refresh the page again now, you should see that we have a field here that I can choose. Pretty easy. That's pretty easy, I would say. That is easy. Okay. That is easy. Okay. Now one more thing. Okay. Now let's try to go from this selection over to filling on the downside here. So first, I actually need to grab that event first. So what event I should add? Model. Okay, right here. And I will say that field grade schedule form data pre-fill or something like that. I don't know. Let's keep it like that. And this one should be a function, so I am coming down and define that function now. This is the store, this is the unmounted. Let's actually keep it empty at the moment, because maybe I will actually want to do something regarding the unmounted there. Let's go for cons and define the function for it. Okay. Let's actually try to print that value out to see if we can actually catch that first. So the console is ready, and if I select something here, let's say this one, we actually have it. And the thing is, I have the whole thing over here, which is actually a good sign that I'm using the same the correct approach here. So we have the value. Okay, we have the value. Okay, we have the value here. Can I actually copy the object, and I will actually paste it here, comment it, so I can have something to look at. Now, I actually need to value date equals value date. Semester is value semester. Mask content will be mask content, that is correct. For your information, why it actually pops out like that one, I'm using Windsurf as my support AI. I'm not vibe code at all, mind you. I'm not vibe code at all, mind you. I am actually coding with some assistant from an AI. So am I using AI for doing things like this? Yes. Am I vibe coding though? No. And I want to make that very clear, because like if you are going with vibe code, which means that you don't understand a thing what is currently happening up on the screen there, and that is the thing that is bad. That is really bad. Vibe coding is not the future. And I'm keeping my opinion firm on that one. I see a spam on Twitch, so sorry, but I need to, yeah, I don't know if I can actually block you there. Can I actually block him or her or something like that? Block. And if I can do the report as well. Spam and scam and tracking, something like that. Spam. Let's go scam. Okay. And now I will actually remove that chat as well. Hold on a second. I actually removed this chat, so I can actually do it. Okay, you know what? Okay, I can just ignore that and the thing is just completely gone. That's good. Oh, I just realized that the chat from Clan is actually not showing on the scenes. There is something happened with it. Oh, I hate setting up things so much. I haven't checked it before, mind you. So it seems that the thing is actually not working at the moment. Or it actually like going somewhere and not even here. Okay, hold on a second. Let me do something really quickly, and I'm trying to bring the chat of you over on the stream again. Sorry to say, but I am still quite newbie on this one. So it actually took me a little bit time, and I know that we only have like 1 hour left to continue to do the things. Can we actually reset the transform? Oh, okay, it's over. Okay, I actually see it over here, and I will actually put it down here. I am editing everything on the fly now, guys. Yes, and it okay, and everything seems to work well now. So yeah, the chat is there again. Thank you Trang, for sticking with me, and I am guessing that you are still watching, so thank you for that, if that is the same thing. Alright, so we have mask content, we have lesson content. That is first. We have this one, mask attendance check. I think the whole thing is correct. Now let's save it and let's try to check if the preview is working. So if I choose this one, everything's work until it doesn't. Yeah, it doesn't understand this. It is not the end of the world though. It is not the end of the world though. Date dot format date. Wait, hold on. Oh yeah, I have a very bad feeling about this. Like, this seems that it is not like, this is not just, you know, a string, a display, a string for display. That is the real value as well. And if that is a thing, then I'm really screwed. Because, hold on, need to try something. No, it is not chosen. It is not chosen. Stop. Let me actually do this and see if it works. This mask, oh, this mask right here. Oh. I don't think it will work. No, it worked. Oh. Okay, so it's like you actually need to like having a completely same, like 100% similar mask and date format to actually make it work. If I change it again, it immediately jump, as you can see, right? And of course you can still be based on something and completely offset with the data, but yeah. Okay, that okay, I just removed the thing, and the problem is that looks a little bit dangerous. I knew it. This is known, so I only want to do this if it is not known. So if value, if not value, then return. So it should not spit out the errors like that. Right? It's not running anymore. Good. Now I am a little bit worried about the form data here. So oh yeah, I actually formatted like this. So it has a very good chance that the data that I actually put here will actually be getting like the same thing over here. Like, it will not like really is a date. It is a date string and it actually worse than that because that date string is already being formatted. Okay. Oh, what I'm currently hitting. So the mask here. Oh, I just realized that I don't really have a mask up here. Wait, what? Hold on a second. Oh, this is a very normal thing regarding a developers struggling. Hold on, I need to look at the document again. Oh, so this is the oh yeah. Oh yeah, so this thing is it is a completely different thing from what I was expecting. So yeah, okay, I understand. Okay, let me point you something really quickly. The mask here that I'm seeing, this one right here, it's actually not just like it is not the same mask of the Q date. It is actually this kind of thing, and that is why you actually see some, I don't know, very strange thing on the dates there once I choose it. So yeah. Pretty understandable now, and pretty I'm pretty sure that I am being an idiot up there, back there, like just minutes ago. Okay, let's keep it like that at the moment, because let me actually see what kind of date that I actually getting from this point right here. So I basically need a submit button now, and let's actually put inside the current action after this one right here. It allows me to choose the form, right? Wait, is it a ref or something? No, it is not really a ref. Okay, that's beauty. And label. Let's keep it like that. Grayscale your form, submit. Type is submit, yes. And up here on the queue form, I should have add submit dot prevent dot is on submit. On like handle submit, what is the name that I'm using over here? unsafe. Let's do that. Going down here and define that like now. Okay. Saving. And I want to log the grayscale details from data out. Let's keep it like that. So now when I do this, there's something that I need to check. So if I choose this one and I go here, it will show the value like this one. So the date is this is this string. As I am thinking, we actually got a problem here because that will be a hack of the effort to actually make it happen. If I go like this part right here and I go this, what will it show? Okay, so that is how the mask being displayed. That is basically the model of the date, right? Okay, I need to check something. The thing is, if I don't have that mask, let me do that very, very quickly. If I don't have that mask, so let me actually remove the mask. Let's not do mask. And let me just choose something. What do I have? So that is the raw value of the field. It will be like that, right? Do we have something else that can actually help me on this part of the solution right here? Model, calendar, model value. The V model, okay. Okay, this will be tricky. Yeah, so I actually need to get back the date of the format, year, month, day, or something like that. Back. Yeah, I actually have a problem with that. Hold on, I will come down to grab some water now, so I will be back shortly. Be right there. Okay, I'm back with some water, of course. Yeah, let's continue to tame these bits. So I actually need to get the mask back. So you should see that we actually have like kind of the same mask over here if I even choose like another day or something like that. Okay, so the thing that I want to do right now is that I will basically try to live with this, and I'm trying to like converting it to something, because like I still need to build up the request body, the request model that I actually need to send to the database. No, sorry, to the backend. And the request body will actually like kind of the same thing here. So date, semester, all of this is correct now. I only need to change this part right here, because what I want to send down is actually something in this format. The thing is how I gonna do that, right? Okay, I don't know if it will work, so let's see if I can. Let's see if this works. I don't think it will be, but let's just see. As you can see, it is undefined, which means that I already have a formatted strings. I want to get back the date from the formatted string. What do we have? Oh, we have this part right here. Oh, it will get me back the date. Hold on. Oh, that actually, that might work. That might work. That might work. That might work. That may work. That may work. I actually need to get that back. Basically, just getting that back. So let's see if I can actually get the date back. Oh. What is extract date? The string, the mask, and the locale. So we have the string, we have the mask, and we have the locale, right? Why doesn't it work? Let's skip this like that. The same arrow, I guess. Same arrow, yeah. What is it trying to join, honestly? 167. This part right here, so extract date. What is this for? What is that function for? based on the format. Can I ignore this? Okay, you know what? It seems to work. It seems actually work. Wait, is it? Wait, is it? Hold on. Extract date. Date local. Date local. We have days. And I know that we have date locales here. Oh, do I actually need to like get full of that? The date locale, I mean. So it should be like this as well. So we have the day, we have the day short, we have months, we have this part. Plop, plop, plop. This and this. Let's see. Okay, it seems that I need to do that. Oh well. I actually need to define those as well. How about they shot? I don't know. Really, in Vietnamese, I don't think they are actually different. But let's see. Oh no, I think I think I can do this better. Ha ha ha, that is good. That is so good. Okay, I finally have it. Alright, and if you pay enough attention, then we actually got the date back, which is good. Can I actually ignore this part right here? Let's see. But I think that is it. We have the data that we need, right? Let's see, the next one will be 28, so I choose 28, right? And this one right here, and oh wait, hold on, there is a thing, like one more thing that I want to add inside here. This is like the request body is not just that. I want to look at the backend now, because if I go to the grade schedule, it should be great schedule, right? And I should have the post right here. I actually have one more thing here called the general schedule ID, and that is the thing that I can actually get from whoa, wait, no, I got this already. So I hope that makes sense. I need to say that because it might be noon. It might be noon. So if I go, oh, it is also, oh, it is undefined. The general schedule ID, it is undefined. Is it? Noon, please. Okay. I align that. If I deselect those, it should say fonts building. Now we got the whole, oh wait, so if I choose something and create, I should have the ID here, which I can basically then use later on. Great, so great. Okay, this is good. Yeah, I need, yeah, the only thing left is now I need to go to the create service and export create const create or update create schedule. And let's get that one. What is the link, the URL that I need to call? So the create schedule API should be down here, right? So create the code of the create and schedules. The create, the code of the create and schedule. So that will be create the code of the create and schedule the data here. Okay. Let's go to the create store. Let's add yes, create schedule const create or update. Let's use the same name here. I will change up the function name inside here, create or update schedule. Should be like that, should be like that. Oh no, should be like this. Okay, so we have the create code and schedule data, which is the request body. Schedule data dot create code is, let's not do that. I only need to await this one and make sure things correct. Now go back to the model. Should be up here where we have the study store. We have the study. Oh no, this is a store to ref. Makes sense. And then I have No, it should, yeah, it should not be a start to ref. Let me use great star as well, and should be great. Down here, let's say that use that star, and it should be create a rate schedule. Now let's use that function down here, passing in will it work? Let's say what is this? Wait, 115. What? I don't know. Do it. So this part right here, the great details. Yeah. Oh, I need a great code. I need a great code. I am passing it in from the outside. The thing is, where can I actually use that? Great details dot value dot code. Am I actually have that? Need to recall myself. Okay, everything is white. Everything is white. Everything is white. Everything is white. Hold on. This is bad. This is so bad. Okay. Again, beauty. It should be in. And I should have the great code somewhere. PDR store, please. We have the code. So inside here I can actually pass the code in, and inside here I can actually define it as a props. And how to do that I completely forgot. Yeah, where is the define props? Yeah, let's do that. The great code is here. Beautiful. And I can actually use the great code down here instead. That's good. Is it a good way to do that? Maybe. I don't actually take it directly from the store, but it should be like some common things related to the other part of the solution. Okay, let's choose this one. So we have internet server, I know. We have every single thing that we need to, and the URL seems to be correct as well. Okay, now method is not allowed. What is that? This is a post, right? And am I having a post? No, I don't. We need this. Back here, please. Okay. And let's try to call the thing again. Hold on. Before that, let me try. Let me do something. Safety. I will not commit. Just that. I will not commit. I will not commit. And so I can actually continuously doing things. Yay, 500. What happened? What? Okay. Lesson content. I double E. Dang it. Dang it. What is that? Oh, I hate myself so much. Okay. Am I having something else? No. Okay. No. That's it. Beautiful. Let's do that again. 3, 2, 1, and still 500. What the heck? Oh, another spelling. Attendance is lesson. Attendance check. Okay. Go back here again. Clear and create 200. That looks really good. Of course, I can spam the thing because it is not it is just like it is not how can I say that? It is not persist yet. And after creating successfully, what will I do? Emit. Oh, I can just hold this. Okay. Oh, so that means I actually should call it as an async, right? Oh, not async, await. Sorry. Going inside here, the gray star is an async await. That is good. Okay. So after that, I can actually calling this one to actually close down the model. Let's go to 8. Create. I think it is a success if I refresh the page now. Interesting. Interesting. Let's check this. Yeah, it's actually a success. Did I already? Oh no, sorry. My bad. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. So this part right here. And create. If I refresh the page now, and I choose so this is 8. You know what? I think I know the reason why. Damn it! The time zone. The time zone. That's why. Yeah. Okay. Time zone actually hurts me now. Dang it. Go back here, please. can I actually ignore the time zone, or can I actually format this date into something else? Hold on. I am cheating, let's say. I am cheating now, let's say. I am cheating now, let's say. I want it to be 9 of 12 of December. And create. I guess we got a problem. Not format, but format date. The thing is, it is in the database now, but the date is completely off because time zone. Because the date is basically time zone aware. What the hell? Oh no, 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 no. Wait. Whoa, wait, hold on. Hold on. I need to do something. This looks a bit sus, but I'm basically cheating a bit by convert the date back and forth. So let's see if it's actually work or not. The 9 still create seems to work, and let's refresh the date. It worked. It seems working. It seems working, and that is the thing that make me scared. Okay. Do we actually have something to like? I can actually force them. When I format that, I can actually force them, right? Stop. Hold on. Is there any like JavaScript? Create date not time zone aware. Because I don't actually want to have a JavaScript date, no, cursor. Hold on. Time zone. Oh, only have 7 minutes left. So that seems to work. I will actually need to check more. Now, 7 minutes. Let's see if I can actually do one final thing. And what is that one final thing? I want to emit something. Here. Oh, sorry, not here. I mean here, right? And I actually need to define something over here. Where am I define it? Like right on the props. And the defined image here is okay. I basically okay. So this is like close on save success, which is good right down there. So I'm emitting the thing. Close on save success. I know that the entry list. So like when I'm closing the thing on the schedule list page, do I actually like first grade schedule or something? We actually have it. We actually have it. We are fetching it again. Okay. So I'm saving now. And what that will do is I am choosing like 25th of December. Oh, let's make it like 1 2 3 4 6 7 1 2 3 4 6 7. Yes, and let's say that I'm not pulling the attendance. I create that. And it should create it. Okay, that worked really well. Beauty. Okay. Huh. Yeah. It's worked. And it worked pretty well, I must say. So yeah, I can actually add an entry inside here now. I can basically add a new entry, which is good. The thing is now I need to remove an entry. And I also need to allow the user to edit an entry, but when editing an entry, I actually need to clean this. Okay, hold on. Okay, I actually need to clean the field also as well. And I just realized also that there is a validation that I need to do on the backend, because like you shouldn't have two different plans on the same date. So it will be like if you already have a plan for that date and you try to create another plan on that date as well, then the thing is the system should reject you and does not allow you to do that one. So that is the validation that I need to do as well. Okay, so we only have 3 minutes left for the stream. So at least now I can say that I got the basic of this grade schedule up. The thing is, I was thinking that I can actually push the 0.6.0 version tonight, but now I realize that it is not realistic anymore, since I still need to have something to do clearly. The thing that I still need to implement for the 0.6 regarding this one right here is regarding the schedule, the grade schedule here, is that I just implementing the date, the form and the features for the user to manually add a schedule for the grade. That is good. I still need to implement the edit function to edit an existing schedule. I still need to implement, again, what is it? The delete function to let the user delete a schedule that they already been created, that is already created as well. So that is a thing that I need to do. I am having a thought in my mind that this list right here, I might actually want to group them by month as well. So you will have some section with months like I don't know, October, November, December, limited to the schedule that you already created, and you can actually expand the month to see all of the schedule inside that month that you already created. So that is one way to display this one as well, and that will be a thing that I also want to do. Back here, the summary. There's one more thing that I want to do on this one as well, is that I want to add a filter here, so you can choose a date range, so you can see like only the dates, only the attendance data within that range. And that is basically 3 things that I will do, and I will only publish 0.6 when those features are ready, which means that I am still having a long way to go on this one. But I hope it should be quick, and I hope that it will be done within this week, because I basically off the whole week and I have the whole next week as well. So I hope that it will be the days that I can actually entirely work on this one. So yeah, time's up. As you already see, the clock strikes 0. It is midnight. It is officially Christmas now. We are now in the 25th of 12th. 25th of 12th. What am I saying? 25th of December. Sorry about that. But yeah, I think that's it for the stream. I will need to actually commit the code and commit the work that I just done to Git later. Like right after this one, and then I will wake up at 5 in the morning and attend the first mass of the day. And also I will actually place an order for something big. I will actually share it on the Quarter to 11 Facebook channel regarding that upgrade that I will actually make to the room itself. So yeah, that's everything. So again, Merry Christmas, and thank you very much if you are still with me. Merry Christmas again. Wish you and your family all the best. And anything that I can still say, I think that's it from me. So good night. And have a nice days off, because I know that very many people actually take tomorrow, take 2 days off as well. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next session, hopefully soon. Peace.